Yeah, right, guys. Now, I just want to tell you, everybody pay attention on this one, guys. So, for example, so far you guys know about like network-based subnetting, right? So sometimes you will find like this, guys. 192.168 dot, let's say 100.0 slash, let's give 28. Can you please tell me, whenever you see this, what did you understand? How many networks and how many hosts you are going to get it here? For example, in the exam point of view, or if you are taking any lease line or something, usually the service provider, they are going to provide like this. So how did you understand this? Everybody, guys. Because I know that it's a little bit difficult for you to understand, but how you are going to understand this? Everybody. Three networks, one host? No. Okay. Let's go like, easiest way, guys. Can I explain to you the easiest way to understand this kind of scenario? Yeah? Let's go now. If you see here, there is a 28 is there, right? 28 is nothing but what? It's a host or network. 28 is a network or host. It's a network bits, right? 28 is nothing but the network bits, right, guys? Everybody. 28 is a network bits. So now the important thing is up to 24 there is no changes, right, guys? Up to 24 there is no changes. Try to follow it. Okay, try to, this is my own logic, guys. You can develop your own logic, that's not a problem. Guys, can you please mute yourself? Somebody is talking. Yeah, somebody is talking. So in the last octet, how many bits are there? Can everybody tell me how many bits are there last octet? Last octet, how many bits? 8 bits. Last octet, how many bits? 8 bits. So up to here, the 3 octets, it's a 24. Then after that, 25, 26, 27, 28, right? Then 29, 30, 31, 32. Hope everybody understanding, guys, what I'm trying to do. Because these are the network bits and remaining these bits are the host bits. Just make a line there. So this is your network bits and these are the host bits. Now, the second thing is that what is the bit value? What is the bit value? Guys, up to here 24. You are clear about that, right? Up to here, the 3 octets, it's a 24. Right, guys? Now, if you see in the last octet, the first 4 bits are belongs to the network. Why? Because they said that 28. 28 is nothing but this is your 25th. Guys, everybody okay? This is your 26 and this is your 27 and this is your 28. So these 4 bits we are going to make it as a network, right? Now, what is the bit values, guys? Can you please tell me from left to right? What is the bit values for this? Everybody. What is the bit value? Rohit, quiet. Rohit, just understand it, then after that attack, okay? What is the bit values? 128. And this one, you need to count from left to right. Muhammad, you need to count from left to right, right? Then after that 64, then after that 32, then after that 60. Right, guys? Everybody. And what is the value? 128 plus 64, 192. 192 plus 32, 224. 224 plus 16, 240. So, which means what is the subnet mask? Can you please type for me there, everybody? Can you please type for me? Subnet mask, which is first 24 bits, there is no change, right? In the last octet only there is a changes. So 255 dot, 255 dot, 240. Then slash 28. Up to is clear. The first portion is clear for everybody. Say yes or no. Everybody, guys. Yeah. Then second thing is that we need to take the host bits. How many host bits are there? How many host bits are there? 4. So what is the formula? What is the formula? 2 power 4, right? 2 power 4 minus 2. So 2 power 4 is nothing but what? 2 power 4 is nothing but 16 minus 2. Then what is the value? 16 minus 2. The value is 14. So in each network, how many hosts you are going to get, guys? In each host, in each network, how many hosts you are getting? 14. Actually, you are going to get 16, but minus 2. Why minus 2? Why minus 2? Why minus 2? One for network ID and other one for broadcast ID. Right, guys? Everybody is clear. Everybody understand? Yeah? The second part is clear for you guys. Right? Now third one is that we need to write those subnetworks. Right, guys? Now what is the magic number? I forgot that. What is the magic number here? Because the magic number is going to add for every subnet, right? The magic number is the last bit. You understand? For example, if you converted the 4 bits, which is the last bit? 16. The magic number is 16. Now we need to write the network ID and we need to write the broadcast ID and valid IPs. Right, guys? Everybody. Network ID and broadcast ID, which is valid IPs. Now let's go and write it now. Everybody is okay, guys? And I forgot to ask you how many networks you are going to get, guys? How many networks you are going to get here? Any idea? How many networks? Host portion is clear for me. How many networks you are going to get? Huh? Guys, how many bits we converted here? The converted bits. Yeah? Understand, everybody? Don't get confused, guys. That's what I'm trying to tell you. Please don't get confused. Okay? Now let's go and write. What is the first network ID? What is the first network ID? From where you are going to start? Everybody. What is the first network ID? 192.168.100.0. That's your first network ID, right? Then what is the next network? What is the next network? 192.168.100.16. Then after that, what is the next network? 32. Then after that, 48. Not 52, it's a 48, right? Like this, you are going to write it, guys. Everybody is okay with this. Understand this. Yeah? Then what is the broadcast ID for this first network? What is the broadcast ID for the first network? It's a 15, 100.15, right? And what are the valid IPs? What are the valid IPs? From 100.1 to 100.14, right, guys? Everybody is clear with this. Everybody is clear with this. So for example, if I give you 192.168.100.0/28, 192.168.100.16/28, what it does mean? What it does mean? These two. For example, if I give you 192.168.100.0, 100.16, are these two networks are the same or it's a different networks? Are these two networks are the same or different networks? Everybody. Is it same? Hello? Is it same? Is it same? My question for you is very clear, guys. Try to understand it. Yeah? It's the same or different? Everybody. I know that most of the people, they are getting confused, guys. I'm sorry I made you confused. I'm sorry for that. But try to understand it. This one is your first subnet, right, guys? This is your first subnetwork. Everybody, pay attention on this. This is your first subnetwork, right? And this is your second subnetwork, right, guys? So these two are the two different networks. They are not the same. That's what I'm trying to do. You understand? Everybody, Rohit, don't get confused. Okay? See there. Right now, what I did, this is the single network. What is the actually major network for this? The major network is 192.168.100.0/24. That's a major network. So what I did, I divide into as a subnetworks. Right, guys? Everybody. I divide into subnetworks. Now after dividing, I got all the subnetworks. Now my question for you guys, let's say I have taken a switch here and I connected one computer. Okay, don't get confused guys, try to see it. Now I given the IP address 192.168.100.1/28, everybody. And I given the IP address 192.168.100.17/28. First of all, can you tell me these two are the valid IPs or invalid IPs? First of all. First of all, this is what everybody is getting confused guys. These two are the valid IPs, right? And if you see 192.168.100.1 is belongs to which network? What is the network ID and what is the broadcast ID for this? What is the network ID and what is the broadcast ID for this? Everybody. The network ID is 192.168.100.0, right? Then what is the broadcast ID for that? This is your network ID, right guys? And what is the broadcast ID? The broadcast ID is 192.168.100.15. That's the broadcast ID. Now if you take the second computer, I given the IP address 192.168.100.17/28. What is the network ID for this? The network ID, which is 192.168.100.16, right? What is the broadcast ID for this? Everybody. What is the broadcast ID for this? 100.31, right? Now, this is belongs to a different network and this is belongs to the different network. Will they talk each other? Will they talk each other? Everybody guys, attention on this, yeah? Don't get confused. Before myself, I made you confused because to understand the subject, yeah? But don't get confused. I decided not to confuse you guys, yeah? Now, this is belongs to a different network, yeah? This is belongs to a different network, right or wrong? Everybody, understand this, yeah? Now, will they able to talk each other? Will they able to talk each other? No. Why they don't talk each other? What is the problem there? What is the problem there? They are the two different networks which is subnetted networks, right guys? They are the two different networks and which are subnetted networks, right? But they belongs to the same class. But they belongs to the same class, right guys? Now, in case if PC1 is this, PC2 is this, if these two guys wants to talk, then what I have to do? In case if these two guys wants to talk, then what I have to do? In case if these two guys wants to talk, what I can do? Bring them into the same network, right? So for example, if I want to bring them into this network, which is 192.168.100 network, 100.16 network, okay guys? In that case, what could be the IP address for this PC, the other first PC? What IP address you want to give? It could be 18, right guys? You can give 18. Up to I can go where? Up to how many IP addresses are there? Up to I can go 31 is the broadcast ID, right? 100.31 is the broadcast ID. So I can go from 100.17 to 100.30. Everybody is okay with this? Say yes or no guys. Yeah? Don't get confused. Okay? Once you are good at subnetting, then I'll put you in the confuse again. Okay? I will ask you the questions. But this time, don't get confused. Okay? Now, can I give you one more thing? Are you ready to do it? Everybody. Yeah? Let's go and see it now. Now, let's say 192.168.100.0/30. Can you please tell me what is this? What is this? 192.168.100.0/30. How many IP addresses I am going to get in each network and how many valid IPs I am going to get it here? Can you please do it for me? Yeah? Everybody is okay. Mohammed, don't type it there. Don't give any answers there. You just write it and send it to me. Take the picture and send it to me in WhatsApp. I'll go through it. Yeah, Ahmed? Yeah? Because, people, they are start thinking now. Let them think about it. In case if you are trying to say something, then people, they will copy it. They don't think. Yeah? So everybody has to develop their own logic, guys. Whether you do it right or wrong, it doesn't matter. If it is a wrong, we are going to learn, right? So if you want to do this, so it's a 30, right guys? So up to 24, there is no changes. In the last octet only they are done some changes, right guys? First you need to identify which octet you did the change. Everybody, on which octet they did the changes, guys? The last octet, right? They said 30. So the last octet, how it will start? 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31 and 32. Is it clear, everybody? Everybody is okay with this? Say yes or no. Guys, can you please mute yourself? Somebody is talking. Yeah? Guys, can you please mute? Okay. Just make a line. So these are the network and these are the host bits. Yeah? Mahesh, you need to see the previous video on time. Yeah, this is shortcut I am just explaining. Okay, let it be finished this, Mahesh, then we will discuss about it. Okay, Mahesh? Yeah. Let's see now. Now these are the network bits and these are the host bits. So now, how many network bits? How many network bits? Total 6 network bits and 2 is the host bits. Everybody is okay. Then what is the bit values? Can you please help me out? What is the bit values? 128, 64, 32, 16, 8 and 4. Everybody understand this? 128, 64, 32, 16, 8 and 4. Everybody understand this? Everybody? Yeah? Then what is the magic number here? What is the magic number here? The magic number is 4. What is the subnet mask here? What is the subnet mask? The subnet mask is 255 dot 255 dot 255. First 24 bits there is no change, right? In the last octet there is a change. 128 plus 64, 192. 192 plus 32, 224. 224 plus 16, 240. 240 plus 8, 248. 248 plus 4, 252. Right, guys? Then the slash value is 30. Up to is clear, everybody? Everybody, say yes or no, right? Then second step, to find out the host, right? How many host bits are there? How many host bits are there? 2, not 4. Prasad, not 4. See there? 2 bits, right? Then what is the formula? 2 power h minus 2. Right, guys? Then after that 2 power h means how many bits? 2 power 2 minus 2. So 2 power 2 is nothing but 4 minus 2, which means 2. So in each network, how many IP addresses you are going to get? You are getting 2 valid IPs. So these 2 are the valid IPs. And this minus 2, one for network ID and other one for broadcast ID. Everybody is clear with this up to now? Say yes or no from everybody. Yeah? Is it clear? Right. Now the third point. What is the third point? Let's go and write these subnetworks. Right, guys? Everybody. So now network ID and broadcast ID. Then after that, valid IPs. What is the first network ID, guys? Help me out. What is the first network ID? Which is 192.168.100.0, right? What is the next network ID? Next one. Everybody. 100.4. What is the next network ID? 100.8. Okay, guys? So that you are going to write like this. Now for the first network ID, what is the broadcast ID for the first network? Which is 100.3. The second network, what is the broadcast ID? The second one, 100.7. The third one, 100.11. Then what are the valid IPs for the first network? What are the valid IPs for the first network? Which is 100.1 to 100.2, which means you are going to get only two IPs. These are the valid IPs, see there, right? Usually you are getting a 4 IPs, but 2 IPs we don't use it. Why? Because one IP for network ID and other one for broadcast ID. Then after that 100.5 and 100.6. Then after that 100.9 and 100.10. Everybody is clear with this? Say yes or no, guys. Understood this? Yeah? Because whenever somebody they type /30, you just imagine. Right, guys? So whenever you do it, you are going to get only two IPs. Might be they want to connect between the two devices. Let's say I have a two device there. Between these, they want to use /30. Are you understand, everybody, guys? Yeah? In upcoming classes, we are going to discuss all this in routing and all. Everybody is okay with this? Say yes or no. Yeah? Now can I give you one more? Are you ready to do? Are you ready to do? Yeah? Let's go and do it. Yeah? One 192.168.100.0 slash, no, that is I don't want to take it because I cannot take it as a 15 here. I am going to use it for class B for that. Understood, man? Class B I am going to take it. Mr. Yogesh, first be strong in this class C, then after that we'll go to class B. Yeah? Because don't get confused. See, most of the people, they are worrying about it. Let's go and give it to you. Yeah? Slash, perfect. Now 27. Do it in our method, guys. Just now what we learned, do it in that method quickly. Now by seeing this, I can able to tell this. Slash 27 means, what is the value, guys? What is the magic number? Everybody. The last octet, they did the changes, right? The last octet will start from where? Mr. Singh, can you please tell me that? What's the value? The last octet. Everybody. The magic number. By seeing that, you can able to tell, guys. Keep remember that. Everybody, do it for me. Don't write, Ahmad. Don't write, okay? Don't write. Because people, they are going to see. Some people, they are not understanding still. Everybody. Try, guys. Don't feel, okay? You can able to do it. Guys, everybody. The last octet from where it's going to start. What is the bit number? The last value. Because up to here 24, right? Everybody. Up to here 24. The last octet is going to start 25, 26, 27, right? So he said that 27 network bits. Everybody understand? Then after that 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, right? Then make a line. So this is your network and these are the host. And these bits we are going to convert it as a network. Then what is the bit value? Then write it there, 128 plus 64 plus 32. And what's the last bit value? 32. That's my magic number. Right, guys? So my network is going to start with 0. Then every network is going to add 32. Right, guys? Everybody is clear with this. Madam Singh, are you understand this? Yeah? Is it clear for you? It's very easy stuff. Yeah? Yeah, no issues, no issues. But guys, everybody, now can I give you one more quickly? Now, can I give you one more? Yeah? Very quickly. Help me out, guys. 192.168.100.0/26. So, how many networks I am going to get? How many hosts I am going to get? In each host, in each network, how many hosts? And what are the valid IPs? Everybody, quickly. Help me out. For example, if I make 192.168.100.0/31, can I make subnetting for this? Yes or no? Why? If you say no, what's the reason? Quickly. Actually, Madam Singh, you said yes. Don't be in hurry, guys. Don't be in hurry. You cannot make it, right, guys? Because in every network we have a network ID and broadcast ID, right, guys? Everybody understand this? Yeah, there is no valid IPs there. Understood, guys? Everybody? /31 and 32 you cannot make it. Perfect. Perfect, man. Yeah. So now can we go to little bit? Can we go to little bit different one? Are you ready? No, /32 we are going to use it, Rohit. /32 we are going to use it. And /31 in ACL, sometimes whenever you want to play some bits and all, there you are going to. Because in Rohit, you need to understand one more thing. In upcoming days, we never see, we always play with the bits only. If you understand the bits, how you are going to play, then you will be the master. Yeah, Rohit? Even myself, I am not a master because still I am getting confused sometime whenever I am going to play with the bits. Because some people, when I see them, they are going to play like anything. That's why you have to be play like anything. Yeah? Are you ready, guys? Can we do it? Yeah? Let's go and do it now. Don't scare, guys. We can do everything. Perfect. Let's go. 172.16.0.0/23. Attack. How you can do it? So first of all, this is belongs to class B, right, guys? In class B, how many networks are there? How many networks? Two networks. Up to here, how many bits? Up to here, how many bits, guys? 16, right? So we are playing with the host portion, right? The host bits we are going to convert into network bits. That's what we are doing. Everybody agree? The secret is that we are going to convert the host bits into network bits. Then automatically you are going to get a sub networks, right, guys? Everybody understand? Here, how many host portions are there? How many host portions are there? 2, right? In this 2 host portion, which means how many bits? 16 bits, right, guys? What is the value it will start? Up to here 16. Then after that 17, 18, 19, like that, right, guys? Now let's go and play with that. Okay, are you ready? Everybody. Now 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Right, guys? Then after that, oh, I'm sorry, man. I want to write zeros all. I want to do that. I'm sorry for that, yeah? So I get super excited that, okay? Up to here, how many bits? 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. Right, guys? Up to here, clear? Everybody understand? These are the 2. Now, how many bits we need to convert it into host? Sorry, network. How many bits we need to convert into network? 7 bits, right, guys? So what are those 7 bits? We need to start from left or right? We need to start from left or right? Everybody. Left, right? So this one is 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22 and 23. Make a line. So this is your network and this is your host. Right, guys? Everybody. Understand this portion? Say yes or no. Right. Now after that, what is the values of this? 128, 64, 32, 16, 8, 4, 2. Yeah? Everybody, guys, understood this? Then what is the subnet mask and what is the slash value? Help me out, guys. What is the slash value and what is the subnet mask? Everybody, complete. Ravi, complete. Type the complete subnet mask. Type the complete subnet mask. Don't get scared. Yeah. Reminding people, guys. Everybody. Type it. Everybody. Reminding people not able to type. Why? What's the reason? See, up to here 16, right? Those are the network portion. So 255.255. This portion is clear. This is your third portion, right? And this is your fourth portion. Everybody guys, this is your third and this is your fourth. Then the third portion we converted some of the bits into network. What is those bits and what is the value? 128 plus 64, 192. 192 plus 32, 224. 224 plus 16, 240. 248, 252, then 254. Did we do anything in the last portion? Everybody, say yes or no. In the last octet, did we do anything? Nothing. It's a 0. Then make a slash. Then what's the value? What's the value, guys? Everybody. 23. Now what's the magic number here? What is the magic number here? Magic number is 2. Right? And which octet we did the changes? Which octet we did the change? In the third octet we did the change. Right, guys? So what is the first subnet? Help me out, guys. What is the first subnet? From where you are going to start? The first subnet. Help me out, guys. Everybody. The first subnet, which is 172.16.0.0. Right? Then what is the next subnet? Help me out. If you understand the next subnet, no. Madam, if you write 0.2, then what is that? It's wrong. Right? Yeah. See the Rohit. Understood, ma'am? If you write 172.16. How many hosts you are going to get, ma'am, here? I forgot to ask you that. How many host bits? The remaining bits. Help me out. Everybody. How many host bits are there? You converted up to 7 bits, right? The 9 bits are the host bits, right? Then 2 power 9. What is the value? 2 power 9 minus 2. Right, guys? Don't get confused at all. 2 power 9 minus 2. What is the value? 2 power 9 is nothing but 512 minus 2 equal 510. So you are going to get 510 valid IPs. Everybody understand this? And 512 is the total IPs. Yeah? Praful, what is that? It's a 510. Right, guys? Everybody is understanding this. Say yes or no. I think, madam, you are still in confusing state. Madam Singh, are you okay? Still you are in confuse. For example, if you write, you told me 172.16. Yeah, good. You understand, ma'am, right? Make sure that don't get confused. Why? Because we need to get in each subnet 510 IPs. Yeah? Good. Now what is the next subnet, guys? Help me out. What is the next subnet? Yeah, Anil, that's what I'm going to show it to you. See there. Actually, the second, in the third octet, the number is changed, right? Right? Yeah, see there. 172.16.2.0. And what is the next? See, Anil, what I am doing? 172.16.4.0. Right? 172.16.6.0. Yeah? Now, perfect, man. Then what is the broadcast ID for the first network? Help me out. Yeah, it's class B. What is the broadcast? No. No, if you make it 1, then you will get only 256 only. But we need to get how many? 512. Yeah, that's good, lovely. Right? 172.16.1.255. Then after that you will start with 2.0. Right or wrong? So here you are going to get 0.1 to 1.254. Everybody understand, guys? 2 subnets. Everybody understand this concept? Say yes or no, guys? Yeah, that's good. That's why people, they'll get scared to do class B and class A. We don't have any scare, guys. We will do. If you do mistakes also, no problem. We will learn it. Right? Then what is the second one? What is the second one? What is the broadcast ID for second? Everybody. Everybody. Hello? It's not 2.255. It's 3.255. Right? Here you are going to get 2.1 to 3.254. Understood? Yeah? Yeah, Yogesh. Is it clear? And what about the third one? What about the third? Help me out, guys. It's a 5.255. Then here 4.1 to 5.254. Everybody okay? So far is it clear for you? Class B. Understood guys? Yeah, you need to practice more guys, more and more. Everybody has to practice. You feel that it's very easy like that. But make yourself comfort. Comfort in the sense you need to do more practice. Can I give you one more? Are you ready? Can I give you one more? Yeah? Let's attack now. That's why I told you. Did you remember? We need to know that power table. Yeah? Practice is more. Yeah, it's very important. Yeah, guys, you need to remember that power table. Now let's go and do 2 power 0. What's the value? Let's write it, some values here. 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, 2 power 4, 2 power 5, 2 power 6, 2 power 7. Hey, what is that? Sorry, man. 128. 2 power 8, 256. 2 power 9, 512. 2 power 10, 1024. 2 power 11, 2048. 2 power 12, 4096. Yeah? And 2 power 13. What is the value? 8192. Yeah? Good. 2 power 14. 16,384. I think so. 2 power 15. 32,768. I think so. 2 power 16. Yeah? Don't buy it too much, man. I just remember this because I'm a science student. No, that's why I remember like this. Most of you guys are mathematics. Yeah? You understand, guys, the importance of that power table. Is it clear? Yeah? Very important. Can I give you the example now? Are you ready? Let's go and do that. 172.16.0.0/20. Somebody asked me this. Help me out, guys. 172.16.0.0. Everybody, do it and send it to me in WhatsApp. Yeah? Step by step, not don't like me hurry. Don't do the hurry because I am just little bit aggressive. That's why I made it hurry. But you guys have to do step by step. Yeah? So here keep remember that the secret whenever you see this class B, these two portions are 16 up to here. Then it's going to start from 17. Calculate like that. Yeah? That is the secret there. Everybody's okay, guys? Do it. Yeah. Yeah, okay, it's your turn now. Let's go and do it. Yeah, homework, no problem, man. That's why, because whenever I'm sending some messages, you guys are not replying. Only Rohit and some people are very aggressive, they are replying. Yeah, from now onwards, whenever you see messages, just reply it, even if whenever you get a free. Yeah, everybody will play with the subnetting and all. Okay, guys? Yeah, let's go and give it to you. I'll give it to you, class A. Is it fine? Are you ready to do it now? Say yes or no, guys. Everybody. Are you there? How many are there, man? Are you there, everybody? Why bow isn't something? What's that? No voice? I didn't mute it, man. I don't know. I didn't mute. Somebody muted for me. I know. I don't know who did that. Why, bow? You are going very deep dive, huh? Good, man. Because one certain period of time, whatever you understood, make yourself acknowledge. Yeah, Vaibhav? Whatever you understood and acknowledge yourself and write it yourself. That's very important, guys. Everybody. Because whenever you go for any tag or anything, the tag guys especially, they will ask you few questions. If you say, I don't know what I did, he will never touch. Keep remember that. Even if you need my support, sir, I did this, you need to explain like 1, 2, 3, 4. You understand, guys? Even for your friends, make sure that as an engineer, you need to learn first of all that. Why? Because whatever you are doing, you should know that what you are doing. Even you did the mistake also, because of this, I did this. Then people, they will explain to you from there what you have to do. You understand, guys? I don't know what I did, I don't know what I want. Don't tell like that. Yeah, it's very important, guys. You have to acknowledge yourself, everybody. Yeah, let's go now. Are you ready for class A, guys? Everybody say yes or no, otherwise we'll leave it. Yeah, are you ready? Prasad saying no, man. Let's go and do it. Don't waste the time. Easiest one. Help me out, guys. Everybody has to tell me this. By seeing this, you can tell this. By seeing this. What is this? 10.0.0.0/24. By seeing this, what did you understand? Yeah, three networks and three. What are the networks here? What are the networks here, guys? What is the networks there? Help me out, man. T and 10.0.0, right? This is the network. And 0 is the host, right? Everybody understand this one, guys? Yeah. 16 bits? Ah, okay. Yeah, correct, ma'am. You are right. Yeah. Perfect, ma'am. You are right. You are right, ma'am. Perfect. Yeah. Everybody is okay. Ravi is raising his hand. Yeah, Ravi, tell me, what's your question? Any issues so far? Oh, okay, no problem. Yeah. Everybody is, I think Mahesh, we need to ask him again. Mahesh, are you there? Do you have any issue, Mahesh, regarding the subnetting? Is it clear for you? Everything is okay? Please check in, pick in group, is it right? Yeah, I'll check it, man. I'll update to you. Yeah, all is well. Right, guys? So I'll give you some exercise. Are you able to do it? Can I give you some exercises? Yeah? This is one. Two. Three. Four. This is wrong. Should not. Yeah, anyway, it's fine. No issues on that time. Yeah. Okay, guys, these are the 5 you need to do it. And whenever you get a time, do it and send it to me in WhatsApp. Yeah? These are okay, guys. Don't go too much dive. Yeah? And my concern is, because once you guys are written this, if you start writing this, then after that I'll put you in confusing now. So that tonight you guys don't sleep. Are you ready to take the confusing part? Everybody? Are you ready? Then don't ask me again, sir, we forget it and we miss. Yeah? I am putting Rohit, be ready. So I am going to put you confused again. Okay, guys, everybody. We are not gods, no. We should remember, man. How to remember it, sir, without writing always? Because we need salaries, right? So we have to remember it. No choice. Yeah, Praful? I think not Praful. There is somebody else. Yeah. Yeah, interview they will ask, but you need to write. You need to tell them, sir, can I have the pen and paper? The more you scare, Kalas, you will not select it in networking industry. Keep remember that, guys. Yeah, you need to ask, sir, can I have the pen and paper? Then they will ask you, why? I need to write it, sir. You understand, guys? Yeah, because we should not compromise for some other guys. Yeah, if you don't understand something, you need to ask 1 or 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, it doesn't matter. If you give the wrong solution, if you place the order, and it's all your responsibility. That's why you need to ask everything. Whatever you have a doubt, you need to ask and you need to check. People, they say that you are mad, you are asking keep on questions. Don't worry, don't scare. We will do like this. This is our way to work. Right, guys? Perfect. Can I give you confuse? Are you ready? Everybody, are you ready to take the confuse? Yeah? Say yes or no, guys. Perfect. Now, I think nobody is, madam, nobody is not responding. Reshma, Mr. Singh, and I don't know whose other name, Shivani, nobody is responding. Yeah, good. Let's go and do it, guys. Let's attack. Yeah? This is my switch. There is a PC1, PC2, PC3. I have given the IP address 192.168.1.1/25, 192.168.1.2/26, 192.168.1.3/27. Yeah. Are you ready, guys? Now 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, can they able to talk each other? If you get confused, I am not responsible, guys. Okay? See there, 25, 26, 27. 1.1, 1.2, 1.3. I given like this. Are you understand, everybody? 192.168.1.1/25. That's the IP. And second one is 1.2/26. That's the IP. 1.3/27. That's the IP. My question is very simple and clear. Will they able to talk each other or not? One dot one, 1.2, 1.3. Will they able to talk each other or not? Say, everybody. How? Here, which is the big network, guys? We'll ask one by one. No, which is the big network? Subnet mask. You need to see the subnet mask. Yeah, Ravi, you are smart, man. Good. /25. That's a big network, right? And 26 is going to fall into 25. 27 is going to fall into 25. Are you understand, guys? Try to see in that way. Don't get confused. Whenever you see /25, how many IP addresses you are going to get there? No, I don't want to explain, ma'am. Because if I explain this, you will forget everything because the concept is going to miss. That's why. No, /27, how it will be bigger, ma'am? /27 means what? 25, 20. Okay, for madam, we will just, guys, I will give you some explanation. 25, 26, 27, ma'am. Right? So here the magic number is what? 32. So you are going to get how many? 30 hosts. Right, ma'am? Ma'am, let's go and say acknowledge for me. Yep. And if you go here 26, 26 means what? 25 and 26. So what's the magic number here? 64, right? So I am going to get how many? Total 62 hosts I am getting here. And if you go, I think now you connected, ma'am, right? Understood, ma'am? Yeah, that is the secret. Then after that here 25, which means 128. 128 means 126 hosts. So here all this they will fall into this, right? That's why they are able to talk each other. Everybody understand, guys? I don't know whether you understood or not. Please make yourself to understand. Yeah? Okay. Now I want to give you some other trick. Are you understand that? Can I get, that's why I told to everybody, please keep play with the bits. Bits are the very important guys to play. If you don't play the bits, then you will not understand anything. Always play with the bits. Yeah? Can I give you one more? Do you want more confused? Yeah? Let's go and do it. See there. Here I am giving 33/27. Now, which one they communicate each other, which one they don't communicate each other? Yeah, okay, Ravi, bye. Take care. Okay. PC3, I think PC3 will not communicate. That's what you are trying to tell, ma'am. PC1 and PC2, they talk each other. My God, she connected very fast. Are you sure, ma'am? Everybody, Mohammed, why third one will not communicate? What's the reason? Why third one will not communicate? What's the reason? What's the reason? Wow. Then, wow, super, ma'am. Nice. Oh, who else? Who else is understood the logic? Okay, now, okay, guys, let's understand. Okay, Madam Singh, for you only the test. Are you ready? Can I give you one more? Yeah, let's go. So now the first one, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to make it 35. So will they able to talk now? If I make it as a 35, can PC1 and PC3 can talk, and PC2 can talk? PC1, PC2 and PC3, will they able to talk? Why not 2? What's the reason, ma'am? Why not 2? Different network? But here how many IP addresses you are going to get here in this? How many you are going to get there? You are going to get 1 to 64 IPs you are getting here. Right, ma'am? Yeah. And here how many IP addresses you are getting? From where? You are getting from 32 to 62. I think so. No, 32, one sec. What is that? So 32 is the network ID. So I'm going to get from where? 33 to 63. Sorry, 62. Sorry. Yeah. And here, what about here? The first one. First one here I am getting 1 to 126. So now will they able to talk or not? Madam, I think you understanding. Don't get confused now. Just only for entertainment to understand this. Who Muhammad, can you able to talk from PC1 to PC2? From PC1 to PC3? Can we talk? No, let me ask you one by one question. PC1 and PC2, can they talk each other or not? PC1 and PC3, can they talk each other or not? Mr. Ravindra, your answer something you need to verify it. Yeah? PC1 and PC3, will they able to talk or not? Yeah? Okay. PC2 and PC3, can they able to talk? Why? Why ma'am? Why we are not going to talk? PC2 and PC3. Guys, see, she is so smart. Did you understand? Why, guys? Because did you notice this? Here in the PC3 started where? The subnet is started with 33 to 62, right? But this PC is in 1.2. So it's not there. Did you notice that, guys? The secret. She's trying to understand that. Got it? Everybody, PC2 and PC3, they don't speak. Yeah? Yes or no? Understood, guys? This is like a mind game. You need to understand it. That's it. Don't ask me, sir, we forget everything. I'm sorry for that. Yeah? Because you need to play with this game. If you understand that, then you will be very much clear about you are very strong in IP addressing system. Yeah, guys? Everybody is okay. So can we wrap up today's session? Yeah? Now you just, for first 1 or 2 days, guys, be practice everybody. Man, you need to practice more, then you will get more interesting. Yeah, Praful, you need to practice more and more. Okay, guys. So now we have VLSM. We don't discuss VLSM now, guys. Yeah, let's enjoy with the FLSM first. Okay, then now if you go with the subnetting, you will become more and more mad. So what we are going to do now, we will start the switching part in coming Friday. Okay, guys, everybody. After switching, then whenever we feel little bit bored, then we will go to VLSM. VLSM is just 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, understood, guys? Because if you go continuously subnetting, you will not able to get, you will not get understanding. Yeah. Thank you, guys. So get ready. Thank you. Everybody has to learn play, guys. Yeah. But don't do with this. Who are doing the entry level, if you go and tell them, they will forget everything. Yeah. Sorry, man. Actually, I didn't take the class for because a couple of days I'm busy. I didn't miss one class that I covered today. Yeah. Right, guys. See you then. Take care. Bye. Good night, guys.